Max is like, too slow.
Yeah, you're too small.
He can't get it. His paws.
He's scraping it across the ground.
He's trying to eat it. He usually decapitates.
Oh, here comes the growling. Oh.
It's moving.
Poor bug. Look at it. Oh, it's under the rug.
It went under the rug.
And they try to sniff it for a while, but bug's the rug.
It's under the rug?
Yeah, he's trying to
Can you
sniff it
lift
out.
up that? Oh, you can't because it's taped. You found something.
I took the bug out of under the rug.
Oh, okay.
Oh, poor thing.
Oh.
Maxie. Leave the bug, Maxie.
Danny.
He almost ate it. Oh. Did he just eat it?
He chomped on it. Poor bug. I think it's dead now.
It's still moving.
He does not like stink bugs.
No, he's playing with it. He doesn't really want to kill it. If he really wanted to kill it, he would.
Yeah.
He's playing with it.
But in the end, it will kill it. So sad.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Oh no, he's getting out!
Yeah, that's what he does.
He's chomping on it.
What the fuck? What a dork.
It's like, the bug is like, please, have mercy.
It's still there?
I like how everything droops when he looks down, like his face just kind of like oozes forward, just like...
Oh my god, it's still alive. The stink bug.
He usually decapitates them. I feel like I'm bored
Nicholas,
now.
why don't you grab this piece of paper right here on the table?